In a sunlit kitchen, a couple tests a new ritual each night. They share 3 words that describe their day and feelings for both partners and feelings. They pair a compliment with a concrete action, like making tea for the other, turning talk into small, meaningful errands for both of them. This tiny routine reduces big arguments by anchoring emotions to simple gestures and clear, specific feedback for both partners. Over weeks, trust deepens as pauses shrink and laughter returns with familiar, warm rhythm. After tough days, the routine becomes invisible glue, reconnecting attention, care, and curiosity without shouting or drama together.